Hello friends, welcome to Expert Medical Coding. In this video, we are going to learn about the anatomy and physiology of cerebrum and cerebellum. So, let's get started. Cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. Cerebrum is divided into two hemispheres or halves called as cerebral hemispheres. The cerebral cortex of the brain has four lobes: frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and temporal lobe. Now let us discuss in detail about these lobes. Frontal lobe. The frontal lobe is located at the front of your head. Frontal lobe handles many abilities such as speech and language, comparing objects, forming memories, voluntary movements, problem solving, and attention and concentration. Parietal lobe. The parietal lobe roughly located at the upper back area in the skull. It processes sensory information received from the outside world, mainly related to touch, taste, and temperature. Occipital lobe. The occipital lobe sits at the back of your head. Your occipital lobe is the smallest of the lobes, is the visual processing hub of your brain. This area processes visual signals and works cooperatively with many other brain areas. It plays a crucial role in language and reading, storing memories, recognizing familiar places and faces, and much more. Temporal lobe. The temporal lobe of your brain is located inside your skull near your temples and ears. It plays a role in managing your emotions, processing information from your senses, storing and retrieving memories, and understanding language. Now let us see what cerebellum is. This is the portion of the brain in the back of your head between the cerebrum and the brainstem. The cerebellum controls balance for walking and standing. Please like, share and subscribe to Expert Medical Coding. Thanks for watching.